Okay, there we go. Cinnamon challenge. Okay. It's backwards, but who cares? Push it to the thingy.
I don't want to do it first.
We're doing it at the same time.
It smells like hatred.
Well, do you want to get eaten?
I don't want to do this anymore.
I'll do it. Oh. No. Oh.
Would you like some water?
It's your turn.
No. No.
I did it. You do it.
I've done this once. I don't want to do it again.
Do it. There's cinnamon all over the floor.
Would you like some more?
I don't want some more, actually. There's cinnamon all over the floor. It pooped out my mouth. Do it.
I don't want to.
Nope, it's your turn.
No, I don't want to.
I did it, you do it.
I don't want to.
Do it.
I don't want to.
Do it.
I don't want to.
Oh.
I don't want to.
Come on.
I don't want to.
Come on.
No.
Fine.
She busted out.